find my way back to you, until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone.
So beautiful.
Till you find your way back home.
He says, shut it in, son. I'll show you what.
All the way through. Nice.
Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.
There's Lawrence.
Sir.
It's Mr. Shane.
Those aren't ours.
That's my hole.
Ice holes.
Ice hole. And this is another ice hole. It's dark outside now, guys. Yeah, no light. Why you need TV?
Light.
136
Inches.
Holy smokes. That's big.
That's your biggest one, hey Shane?
Yeah.
In light. Oh, he did.
I told you. Ew.
I
He's
reeled
not
in.
opening his mouth.
I reeled in that big of a fish. Dad. I mean, now don't. I reeled in that.
Hold this. This is Dad's phone.
No. Got lost.
The one is way back there.
That's humongous, guys.
Holy smokes. Let me do this for you.
I got the camera ready.
It's too far back. It don't unbreak. Yeah. Do you need to go on the gill side?
Dad, could you take a picture of me holding the fish?
There. Wow. You gotta hold that, Shane.
And then it will be me.
Wow.
Back up there. Where's the fish? No, I won't do camera. I gotta shine the light on.
Dad. It will be you and then it will be me.
Okay. Just get in on the picture, Logan.
No, I want to hold it.
I gotta take a nice picture of this.
That's humongous.
Take a portrait, I don't know what the
No,
camera,
click
take a
photo.
photo, got it.
Good. He's gonna jump here.
Can you,
Okay, Logan, you pick him up. Pick him up, Logan. Just pick him up.
I'll let you.
Pick him up, Logan.
I'm gonna wait till he stops.
No, he's not gonna stop.
I don't think he can. It's too heavy for him, I don't think.
Just get in on the picture.
Just like that.
It's too heavy, Logan. Just...
Is it you?
Okay, hurry up.
There. Look.
Good.
Look good.
Look at the camera. Good?
Yeah.
Is everything
Nice.
black?
Yes.
There it goes.
Yeah, just let him drink for a bit. He's not ready yet. Damn, that's the one we've been seeing back and forth.
Yeah. Who knew that it was that big? More than 36 inches.
More than 30. No, it's got to be 40, hey, Shane?
I don't know.
Probably
Oh,
40.
you should have brought your thing, Shane. Not ready. Oh, almost.
Is he down the lake? Is he down?
Oh.
I think right beside your truck there. I think that's open. I think.
My biggest one ever for life. So far anyways. Hopefully you get bigger after this.
Okay, release son. Nice. Good job, son.
There you got one.
Yeah, it's smaller.
It's bigger than the other one, of course. Man, you truly have to agree with me here. This view is amazing. Look at that sunset. You can't ask for better weather than this. Oh, here comes the boys. Coming back from exploring the other side of the island there. And hopefully they caught some fish. Anyways, guys, this is the shack that we are staying in for the weekend. Not too shabby, that's for sure.
Yeah, dude. What's that about?
No, it wasn't like that. It was, I was trying to just put all this craziness behind us. And have a nice, peaceful...
We'll be shaking hands with the Queen. Alright. Almost in position. Okay, hit it, Victoria.
Prison Plus.
Showing my loose ends. Once the show's going, execute no order on my command.
That doesn't look good.
Listen, it's fake, so this is a worry about.
Your kid's surfboard that you left behind. People over there said they think you're a surfer. I said, your parents just going to be
Not mine. Don't ever call this number again.
Before we go, if something happens to me, could you please give this to MJ?
You're going to make it back. You give it to yourself. Okay, you got this. So walk me through it.
It's just a gun, so I can take Edith right back.
Right. The last time you got hit by a train.
True.
What? You get that paper table back online.
I got this.
Come on, you can do Shane.
Lightning?
You like
I can't regret leaving you alone.
Dropping in the middle of the ice, guys. A little unnerving for me for the first time, but seems pretty safe so far.
My way back to you
It's Jay Scar.
till you make amends with the demons you've been through. I can't regret leaving you alone till you find your way back home. Till you find your way back home.
Alright, we made it to the shore.
Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.
Got a JDM Mitsubishi here for sale.
It's not for sale. It's on. It's $14,000.
Yeah, it's for sale, isn't it? GPX. I've never heard of this before. GPX. Yeah. It's a Mitsubishi JDM car.